Hello everyone, now we will learn about HTML. So HTML is basically full form is Hypertext Markup Language. For web design, for web pages development, we need to understand this language. It's very simple to write a code. Here I am taking HTML head title. These are the tags which are present in a green color. So these are what? Tags. It is compulsory to write HTML at the beginning of a program, then head, and within that head you have to mention the title of the page. You have to close the title tag, then head tag, then you have to start the body tag. From the portion, the body of a page will start from the body tag. That's why it is compulsory to write here. Now I'm taking here H2. H2 means from H6, from H1 to H6 there are 6 heading levels are there. You can use that. See, in H2 I have written second heading level. So now we will add H1 also. So you will clearly observe the difference between H1 and H2 heading level. See, I am directly copy the statements. Here I will write first heading level. Now I will run the code. Here you can see the output here, first heading level and then second heading level. After that there is a paragraph having something written there. Now I just want to change the color of this first heading level, so I have add font color tag. Actually font is a color, font is a tag having attribute color. So if we will write something detail about any tag, that's known as a attribute of that tag. Here I have used color attribute of font tag. So now first heading level is colored by the green color. Okay, now I'm changing something here. P tag actually used for creating a paragraph. Now see, there is another tag strong. Because of that, paragraph text is in bold font. So right now I will remove that tag and run the code. So now simply this is first paragraph text will be appear normally. Before that, if we have used that is strong tag there, so it was a bold. Now in this way you can start HTML writing code. So simply you have to start by using HTML tag, then head, then title, then you have to close the title, then you have to close head tag, then you have to start a body tag, and all the material, all the text, all the information you have to write within the body tag. Then you have to close body tag also, and after that you have to finally close HTML tag. So in this way, here now I am going to make it bold and italic. So I have used B and I respectively tag for the bold and italic. So it's now looking italic and bold also. So in this way you can add some tags for betterment of your web pages. Lot of tags are there. For paragraph you can use P tag. For making bold and italic the font you can use B and I. For just making bold a separate line or separate word you can use strong tag. So these tags, this is the format. You can use this format and just color it. Now you can clearly visible, that is I have used body BG color. So it's what? It's a background color. Now I am going to change it light blue color. I am checking and just run the code. So whole background will be light blue.